Hello everyone. I wanted to share this idea I had for wrapping something awkward. I have this metal sign here and I did not want to put it in a gift bag because if I put it in a gift bag it's just going to fall over and I'd have to use tons and tons of tissue and it'd just be awkward. Plus it's more fun to unwrap a gift. So I took these pizza boxes that I save for other things, and if you watch my videos you know why, and I just put them back to back and I stapled along the sides and along the bottoms just to make a sleeve. And I just put the sign through the sleeve, and then I'll take the top one here and put it over like this. And I did not staple all the way down because I knew it was going to overlap a little bit. Now I could staple these right here to secure it, but I don't want to make it difficult for the person to unwrap. So I'm simply just taking a large piece of tape and I'm just going to tape the center here like this and on the back side, and now it's ready for me to wrap. And I know I'm going to use tons of wrapping paper, but I don't care. It'll be more fun. Thanks guys. Bye.